Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Tie with another new bullish crypto analysis. Before we dig in, take a look at the Solana weekly chart. Remember, this is for edutainment only and not to be considered as financial advice. At any time when you find value throughout this video, feel free to smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe, or leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let's dig in and take a look at some news item first. Solana, a couple days ago, increased by about 10%. And there was an article in decrypt.co saying that the gaming adoption is helping accelerate the 10% increase. That's a strong possibility. Let's dig into the chart and take a look. Here is trading view, Solana on the weekly chart, like I mentioned. Solana prints the second bullish weekly candle here, and it's currently at 101.67. It's just right below the 50-week moving average line. That's the pinkish line here, and that's been acting as pretty strong resistance. Here you see that this weekly candle here back in February the 14th, it wicked above right through the 50-week moving average, faced resistance, bounced back down. Here it remained below. Here it wicked up again, bounced back down against the 50-week moving average. Here it didn't even make it up there. Here it still remained below. Here it wicked almost close to it, and then the body dropped back down again. So very strong resistance at the 50-week moving average. Relative to the Bollinger Band, the top of the Bollinger Band is right up here, and that is at 245.83 roughly right here. And the bottom right down here is at $35.60, and the middle is right here, and that is around $140.75. So it's right between the bottom and the middle. And it's also below the bull market support band, which is this gray ribbon here that's also sharing a line with the middle basis line for the Bollinger Band. So in order for it to get back into the bullish cycle, if you will, the bull cycle, it has to go above the 50-day moving average and at least get into the bull market support band here, preferably to be above it. If you notice here, this bull market support band for back here at around July 19th, 2021, you see it remained above this bull market support band this whole time until it crossed down here and started entering the bearish market. As far as the volume is concerned, volume's been trending down. It's kind of hard to see here. Let's see if I can increase it up a little bit. Where is? Yeah, I think it's right somewhere around here. Let me see if there's a low part where you can increase the. Forget it. But the volume's down here. It's so minute and tiny you can't see it. But the volume has been decreasing, diminishing for 5 weeks in a row. Where is that low line where you can drag it up? Anyways, yeah, it's somewhere around here. But anyways, it's diminishing, so very not a lot of volume here. Down below, let's move this over a little bit so you can see. Down below we have for the white J line of the KDJ, it curved, it penetrated above, through and above the blue K and the red D line, and it is currently at it went from 10.65 to 45.83. I gave that a bull, and 20 here, around 20 is the start of the bottom range. and so it went up into the middle range. The red, oh, that's not right. That is the MACD. MACD is not that. There's a bug in TradingView where if you don't click, it's just weird. But there's a bug in here, so copy and paste sometimes goes into the wrong box. Anyways, the MACD, the white MACD line, rounded the bottom here, and it's starting to curve back up, and it went from 18.26. Right here is 18.26, and it prints the 16th bearish histogram bar. So I gave that a bear. Over here on the red RSI line, it's trending up from 41.82 to 45.55. I gave that a bull, but it's not big of a jump incline there. The aqua CVD line here, it was trending down slightly, rounded off a little bit, and then started to trend back up, and it went from 4.514 million to 4.678 million. So I gave that a bull but and a crab. It's kind of like slight increase, but more like sideways. The white momentum indicator, or MOM, it went up and then just suddenly flips flat. Just went whoop. And it's currently at 46.05. I gave that a crab. So in summary, SOL is likely to retest the 50-week moving average. This pinkish line here is bullish if it can break above. Otherwise, more than likely, it's going to crab sideways with a slight incline upward towards that 50-day moving average, unless something major happened in the macro or geopolitical area or some big announcement from Solana or related projects. So overall, I gave this chart a crab and a bull. It's kind of slightly crab sideways, but more than likely towards the 50-day moving average. So let's take a look at some additional charts. Save this first. That's not a chart we want to look at. TVL, here's Solana here. 7-day change plus 3.26. 1 month change, increase of 6.28. TVL is currently 7.4 billion, and the ratio of market cap to TVL is 4.47 roughly. And remember, this number here, the ratio here, the smaller the better. We want the TVL to be larger. So if the bottom number is larger, this number has to be smaller for it to be an effective ratio. So 4.47, it's on the higher side. If you look at the top 10 here, it's second highest next to BSC here from Binance Smart Chain. So not as effective against market cap. Here's the high block capital liquidation levels. Here's the cumulative liquidation level delta. The delta currently is like minimal. It's like nothing. So not much, not a lot of high leverage levels on Binance at least. Here's the heat map. We got some sell walls up above. Here's one at 130, 120, 115, 110. A huge one at 105 here. Then down below we have shades of blues here for buy walls, but the big ones are really at 90, 85, 80, 75, and 70. And we're back to the beginning of the TradingView chart. I hope you found this video valuable and helpful for your finances. So remember, it's edutainment only. Feel free to smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section. I appreciate it. It's my last video for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.